guys, JQ here. This is a quick update video to let you know where I'm at and just to sort of reach out. Me and my wife have moved home to self-isolate. We're here in the cottage that we rent on a farm that's in an area called the Chilterns, which is just outside of London. And I've moved my studio here, and I've helped my wife move her skincare and CBD business here. And we're working from here at home, and we're fulfilling orders to keep the business going. There's been a huge impact on the world that I come from, the hospitality industry. 1 million people lost their jobs this week. Another 1 million jobs are in doubt. Back in 2008, when we had the big financial crash, it was one of the contributing factors to why I had to close my restaurant. So I know what it's like to make your restaurant family redundant, to close the doors to your beloved customers, and to just enter into a massive period of uncertainty. So, you know, my heart goes out to you guys, and I'm feeling this with you. And there's an organisation that you can go to. It's www.hospitalityaction.org.uk, and you can go there. There's a bunch of initiatives to help the restaurateurs, the chefs, because this is about having restaurants to go back to when this thing finally comes to an end. The other thing that is challenging at this time, anxiety levels can go through the roof, and one's mental health can take a nosedive, and I certainly know something about that stuff. In my 20s, I battled with various addictions. I had to go into a 12-step fellowship to deal with drug and alcohol abuse, and I guess I've always had intermittently troubles with anxiety and depression. And it was within that fellowship that I learned to pick up tools, routines, things that I can do to help my life go smoothly. And the thing that I've done ever since is every morning, first thing I do is I meditate. It's something that I picked up in the fellowship. It just delivers a better John into the world, somebody that's able to deal with problems and stress. And it's something that I do every morning. The other thing is physical exercise. Like, it's an absolute must for me. It just keeps me in a good place. And then the third thing is eating well. Like, it's just such a key part of my day-to-day life, and I wanted to reach out to you guys. We've got this great community, and it's an opportunity for us to support each other. And I wanted to hear from you guys. What recipes can I make for you that's going to support you in this difficult time? Is it recipes that are going to show you how to use up the food that you've got in your freezer and your store cupboards? Is it stuff that's going to show you how to use leftovers or make food go further? Is it staples? Do you want to know how to make bread and other things like that? Or is it, no, we want some classic old school food busker culinary filth to put a smile on our faces? Let me know in the comment box below, and I'll crack on with that straight away, and want to start smashing out some videos for you for next week. I've got a two-parter coming out this weekend. It's a Korean dish, absolutely amazing Korean dish called galbi jjim. It's a stew. It's going to blow your minds. That's a two-parter that comes out tomorrow, and then the second part will be out on this Sunday. I hope you guys are doing well where you are. I think we've got to stay calm and carry on, and this will blow over. We will get to the other side of this, and so thinking of you, increase the peace, spread the love, and see you soon.